if we get this car park in here and under there as well, I think it might be dry.
What, is it under there?
Yeah, I believe so.
We could have picked up the coffee on the way.
This is good. Yeah, I need a wee as well.
Yeah, we'll grab a coffee and we'll go down there.
Yeah. Any toilets? I bet there's no toilets, is there, anywhere?
Yeah, grab that. Can I have a large cappuccino? Yeah, 2 sugar.
Can I have a latte, 2 sugars as well, please?
Large? Large.
Toilet here? Round this way.
Yeah, it's in there if you want to use it.
Oh, you've got one? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do you want to use it now?
Yes, please. Yeah, that'd be great. Welcome to the wee stream. Always wash your hands, people.
Alright.
Oh, that's better.
Really?
Yeah. Thank you, mate.
Else needs to know anything extra because they have the full work. You alright, lad? So
That's-
Lewis was saying
that's
you were
very nice,
dribbling
thank you.
Everywhere.
Sorry, mate?
Lewis was saying you were dribbling
Oh,
and you stand too close to the porcelain.
I was going to say the man had the fake gun.
Yeah, it was a gun, was it?
Yeah, it was a gun. On one of the top floors up there, he was giving it all the stuff on social media apparently, and I think I'm firing guns into the air because he wanted to prove how cool he was.
A masculine.
Unfortunately, in the UK, they don't take kindly to anyone doing shit like that, so I think he got bundled pretty badly. It's all right from up here, isn't it? Look at it. It's nice. Oh, okay, thank you.
Oh, you lazy.
Thank you. Ready? I'm wheeling brakes. I don't know, I was in a wheelie. I wasn't going to come back in this way, I was just going to shoot round. Nice. This is the bit that we needed to find where this came in.
Yeah, there's the castle, look. That's no castle.
Yeah, up in the castle. Wow.
Oh,
This is nice. We've checked out some really good places today, haven't we?
Come on then.
All right,
We'll
then.
let you finish
Have a
off
great
watching
cycle.
the stars.
Yes, I'll go back to sleep.
Watching the clouds.
Yeah, enjoy.
It was nice of you to wake me up for a little while.
You weren't asleep.
Right, enjoy.
See you later. Have a nice day.
Yeah, the winds and turns are always quite nice.
Your light's on, but you can't see it because all the light.
Did you bib?
I did, yeah, I think to slow you down. You do.
Can you do a wheelie? It's nice to see what's in front of you.
Don't worry about
The trees take away the wind? Oh, they're taking away a bit of the wind. This is quite bumpy as well. Whoa! You recording?
When you go,
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I got through there nicely. How was that for you, brakes?